We had discovered that an operator had just recently walked in that area about 30 minutes prior to that ice block falling. So anybody does a drop prevention calculators, 30 pounds of ice dropping at that distance is basically a fatality. For us, through the investigations at Cenovus, we take that serious. Like, we want to talk, we don't want to hurt people. We don't want to put people at risk. And this was something that could have easily been mitigated through some type of process. At that time, we just didn't know what it was because once again, where the ice developed, it was quite high. There was no line of sight from operations or maintenance just from the location of where it was. We have extreme cold changes in weathers. So identifying insulation deficiencies, ice buildup, just those areas of concern that we just didn't know about. And then from that, Courtland and I talked, and we were like, we got to figure out if, and what I call it is a paper route. And we have a monthly PM strategy now set up to identify those deficiencies and repairs and major buildups of those moments that keep managers and owners awake at night.